Smile.
Yes. Now, let's see. That's Teteh Dia. Trying to help Mama find the tunnel. Now, we find Java, who is trying to read.
Dia, take a picture. Smile.
Yeah. Hey, Dia, don't do that, honey. It's Java trying to read. She was reading see? She's reading the book now. She's happy to read the book.
You see?
Okay. That distracts Java. I was gonna take the picture of her trying to read the book, but now Teteh Dia wants to see. Distracts Java from trying to read, and now she is here instead of trying to read the book. I hope she'll be back to her book. She's trying to read. See, she loves books. Java loves books. Teteh Dia. See, she's reading the book. Dia jangan nak, ya Allah.
Yes, see that, Dia.
Okay. Cannot do. You have to be there, but you cannot see yourself at the same time. Papa always says, you cannot have your cake and eat it at the same time. Hey, Dia. Dia, jangan dilempar-lempar. You are not listening to Mama ya. Ayo diambil lagi, masukin ke plastiknya. Java udah nggak baca buku lagi. Deh. Dia jangan dihimpit ini dada Mama, ya Allah.